Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. 4 major listed companies reported a mixed bag of financial results for this financial period. Portland JSX Limited unaudited financials for the 6 months ended August 31, 2025, reports a 6 months net loss of US $2.12 million. Image Plus Consultants Limited unaudited financial statements for the 6 months ended August 31, 2025, reports a 6-month net profit of $23.09 million. Knutsford Express Services Limited unaudited financials for the first quarter ending August 31, 2025, reports 3-month net profit of $66.38 million. AMG Packaging and Paper Company Limited unaudited financial results for the 12 months ending August 31, 2025, reports year-end net profit of $95.98 million. The Bank of Jamaica intervened in the foreign exchange market on Thursday and Friday of last week. On October 16, it drew down $30 million US from the net international reserves and did so again on August 17 with a further $30 million US dollars. This is the 23rd intervention this year. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, has cautioned that the BOJ must stop the frequent interventions, but according to rtoday.com, the BOJ may see it as necessary to create stability and not fester panic with a runaway Jamaican dollar nearing the $200 to US $1 mark. For the trading period ending October 17, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 10,030,650 units, representing 34.98% of total market sales. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 3,690,592 units, representing 12.87% of market sales. AMG Packaging and Paper Company Limited with 1,921,490 units, representing 6.7% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On October 17, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $73 million purchased and US $70.39 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.13 per dollar, selling the US at $161.12 and buying the US at $159.99. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $5.92 per transaction, with selling at $116.42 and buying at $110.50. The British pound yielded Forex traders $8.30 in profits, with selling at $218.49 and buying at $210.19. For our credit report tip of the day, is real estate your dream? You can rebuild your credit and move straight toward funding 100% of your construction costs, but it begins with immediate, concrete actions. Start by pulling your credit reports from all bureaus and disputing any errors. Then automate payments and cut credit utilization below 30%. Also, clean, organized financials matter. Then gather collateral documentation and talk to a construction lender or broker about 100% financing programs. Take these steps this week, keep the momentum, and prove to lenders you're ready to be funded and focused. In this Funded and Focused feature, we know you've worked hard for years. You've built a career, raised a family, and carried responsibilities with strength. But deep down, you know there's more you can do with what you already have. You don't just want stability, you want strategy. You're ready to stop depending only on a paycheck and start building something that lasts. Well, most people don't understand the concept of imputed land equity, but it's one of the most overlooked wealth building tools for women planning a powerful retirement. So step 1, work with a realtor to find a piece of land below market value. Step 2, work with your banker to use the market value, not what you paid, as your equity when applying for development financing. So here's an example. If you buy a lot for $40,000, but the land is actually valued at $100,000, when you approach a lender, they will consider the full $100,000 as your cash equity contribution. That means they can finance 100% of your construction costs. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.